my love. Your love means so much to me, yo.
No be what you do or what you say, my love is single, no be plural, yeah. Brother, no be mount, but my baba, you be cool, yeah. Bonnie and Clyde, that's how I feel when I'm rolling with you.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing how to make special peppered pop-up. Pop-up is one of the finger foods in Nigeria. It's served at weddings, at parties, and sometimes when you have house guests in the house, you don't want to give them the regular food. And the pop-up does it for you. This is called the special peppered pop-up. You know why the pepper is important? With the pepper, you want to be asking for more. My daughter is going to be assisting me. Monife Ojulewa, say hello to the audience.
Hello guys.
So follow us on this ride. You're going to enjoy it. And kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. You're going to see so many videos, so many recipes, how to tie gele, makeup, lifestyle, health, so many amazing lifestyle issues. See you at the other side. Bye.
Bye.
My flour is already ready. I'm going to add all the dry things together. I'm going to add the yeast. Then the nutmeg. We have the sachet nutmeg. Then we have the seed nutmeg. This is seed nutmeg. Then we have the one inside the bottle. You can get this at ShopRite. I'm just going to add a little nutmeg to it. The nutmeg is very amazing. It gives a very special scent. So that's a nutmeg. Then we're going to add our sugar to it. I'm actually using a Nigeria brand. I'm using Dangote sugar. You measure it. I don't want the sugar to be too much. Then I'm going to stir all the dry ingredients together. Make sure you stir very well. Then get your warm water by the side. Then sometimes you add your egg to it. When you want to add the egg to it, you form an opening in the center. Then you break your egg. Put it in the middle. Blend it together. Then you add your warm water. Make sure your water is warm. Then gradually mix all the ingredients together. Make sure you blend it together very well. I'm going to add some more water to it. This is for the family. We're going to have this evening. My husband loves the pop-off. So once in a while, I just make the pop-up for the family. So I'm going to blend it together. Then I'm going to get a napkin to cover it, and I put it in a warm place. I'm going to get the napkin to cover it. I'm blending it together. Then I'm going to cover it. I'm making sure it's well blended together. Then I'm going to blend the pepper. That's red pepper. The next thing we're going to do is that we're going to cover it and put it in a very warm place. I'm going to foil paper. And if you help me cut it there. Cut it for me, darling. Yeah. Thank you. Then we're going to wrap it gently. Then we're going to cover it with a napkin. Then I'm going to keep it in my oven. The oven is very warm. Make sure the oven is on. Then we're going to keep it for 45 minutes. In 45 minutes time, we're going to come back and we're going to start frying it. Yeah, yummy.
African bad girl, and the style boy, you know how we do.
Just before we go fry it, we're going to add our pepper. Remember our blended pepper. You add the blended pepper after your flour has risen. That's your ingredients for the pop. Then you blend it together. Then you can now start frying it. The pepper spice it up, and it makes you longing for more. Can you see the pepper? Make sure it's well blended. You don't want the pepper in just one side of the mixing. You want it all over. Just a little pepper to add to it, to spice it up. Then you can now go fry. Can you see the onions? The onions actually add to the scent. I can remove the onions now. I can remove the onions. I'm using a spoon. I'm going to make it small, tiny ones, so I can go around the whole family. It's quite a large family. So I want to make sure everybody has a bite of our peppered delicious pop-off. And the kids, they love it when it comes in different shapes. Just put it there gradually. You can use your spoon. A lot of things, it's all about innovations. Can you see I'm not touching it? Just scoop, then put it in there. Scoop and put it in there. Then you can now check if it's done. Make sure it's brown. I like the way the pepper is showing in there. Wow, our delicious pop-off is ready. I can't wait to have this peppered pop-off.
Oh, mommy, can I have some?
Yes, just wait. Let's round up first. Guys, so subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just click subscribe right now. I want to do the counter right now. 1, 2, 3. See you next time. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, let's go have our pop-off.